Yo, welcome back to Autoways Garage, and today we are going to clean out my carpet in the 89 D100 truck. For those of you who haven't watched the walk around video on the truck, you know that this thing is pretty well maintained. It's pretty good condition when I got it. Just faded paint, but I like that patina look anyway. And then the interior, which is dirty, but is really good. Really good interior. A little bit of the seam is coming up there, but other than that, this truck is very good. No cracks in the dash or anything. But I decided, since it's stuck in the house and bored, we're gonna pull the carpet and try to clean it out. I know on this side, probably about a year after I bought it, the heater coil went out on it, and it leaked all on this floor here. So yeah, but yeah, let's get we're moving this seat here so we can get the carpet out. Now on mine, these some aftermarket speakers here. I gotta take these out first before we pull this seat out so I don't smash them. So let's get to it. Just gonna set these in the back. Alright, we'll do the same thing on the other side. Alright, so to unbolt the seats, the 4 bolts are underneath the truck here. So this is where they are. You got one here, one there, and then obviously on the other side too. So let's let me unbolt these, and then we'll pull this seat out. Ooh, that one was rusty. Alright, let's go to the other side. Alright, so this should be loose enough for me to pull the seat out. So let's see. Oh yeah. Cut myself. Okay, so oh shit, I think I got a spare key to the truck. Hold on. Oh hell yeah, found my spare key. I didn't even know I had a spare key. I only got one key when I bought it. That's what's up. Alright, that's mine. Yeah, that's mine. So if you're doing this to your truck, pulling the carpet, you won't have this bracket here. This is someone put this in when they put in these home theater speakers in this truck, so you won't have that. But I'm gonna pull these off, clean all this out, and then I'm gonna vacuum it before I take it out. So let's get to doing that. remember, you guys won't have this bracket on your truck, but once we take this that comes off there. Alright, it seems like the last thing would just be pulling up this sill, kick panel, whatever you want to call it, door sill, I don't know, that the carpet's tucked under, and then that should be it. This thing should just come right up. So I'm gonna go get a screw gun. I'm gonna pull these all out. Try to clean this up too before I put it back in there. I wish I would had something to paint it. Right when you start pulling, there's one screw right there on both sides. So make sure you pull that, or else you just rip the carpet. Alright, carpet's out. As I told you before, passenger side is the worst side of it. But I'm gonna try to clean it. Make it look nice. So here goes the floors. A little bit of surfing. No, that's not. This is the driver's side. Nice, solid, perfect. Passenger side got some rust bubble. It was not surprising because this is where the heater core leaked. I'm sure it leaked before, and then also I got bad seals here. So when it rains really bad, this side of the floor gets wet. So I'm not surprised that it's starting to bubble. I mean, it's still nice and solid, but I might try to grind some of that down, sand it down, and spray some primer on it, try to protect it. But other than that, this thing's nice and solid. Yeah, see, this is all wet. That carpet was wet. It rained this morning. But yeah, let's start cleaning this carpet out. Alright, so I'm gonna clean this carpet, and what I like to use is tough stuff. I have real good results with this. I really like this stuff. It's really good. So I don't know how well the camera's gonna get it, but it's starting to lighten up. All that rusty looking color is starting to leave. Same with this side. This side is just losing the carpet altogether. It's peeling off. But it is making improvements, looking better. So while that carpet's drying, before I put more coats on, we're gonna tackle this rust looking bubble that we got here on the passenger side. I'm gonna sand it down with some 320 and then cover it up with some primer, just so we don't have any issues. So it's still pretty solid under there. Not really rusty, just more of the paint bubbling up. But we're gonna cover it up with some of this direct-to-metal factory e-coating, just to help it protect it a little more. I don't think this bubbling is gonna be an issue, because like I said, it's really not a lot of water getting in there. And then if there's ever seems like there's a lot of water, I will take care of the issue before it even starts rusting through. But that should be fine for now, and then we'll check on this carpet. Alright, so the carpet's been sitting outside for about an hour now, and that fabric paint is not bad. I mean, it ain't perfect, but it ain't bad. I mean, it's way better than what it was, you know, before. It was, you know, basically, it looked rusty. Y'all saw the videos, and I was reading reviews on this on Amazon. I bought it from AutoZone, and they were saying it made the carpet or the fabric rough, but now it still feels how it's supposed to feel. I guess it depends on the carpet. I mean, I don't know how. I don't think this. I think if your carpet is more soft and plushy, or like the material you're trying to paint, it might make it feel rough. But for far as auto interior carpet, you know, they're not soft. They're pretty. I mean, this thing is. It doesn't feel any different than what it was before. Of course, that could just be 30-year-old material carpet, but I'm happy with it. I'm ready to put this thing back inside the truck and see how it actually looks. Looks way better. I'm happy with this product. Definitely recommend. So yeah, let's get this carpet back in this truck here. Huge improvement. Definitely look better. It's really good. It's hard to see all the shadow, but Yeah, let's get this seat in here. So this came out. Happy with that fabric paint. I will be more interiors if I need to do that. I would definitely be using that. It's really good. Yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you guys like it. If you got any questions on your truck like this, or hopefully this helps you. You know, if you need to remove the seat for whatever reason. I mean, it's real simple, 4 easy bolts. Yeah, I'm gonna just bolt this seat back up, put the cell panel thing in there, and that's a wrap. Call that for the day. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe on the video. Help me grow the channel so I can bring more projects that I do to this truck and my other cars. I know there's just not a lot of videos on these D100s, so that's why I'm doing this, just to get more information out there. I mean, if I owned a C10, it'd be a million videos, but things that, like, when I replaced the heater core, I was YouTubing, you know, how to do that, and I just couldn't find any videos. So yeah, if you guys like this, you know, spread the word, and I'll catch y'all later.